How's this? Oops. So you have to turn the microphone on, but then also you have to turn it on before you turn on OBS, or you have to, in OBS, then select the mic. Do I start over? I feel like my teeth look a little darker than normal. I was eating chocolate right before stream. But this is better. Necrotic, thank you for being first. Welcome in. Hello. DB9, thank you for the giant vibrating me. Welcome. Coda, hello. Welcome in. Thank you for the tech support. Muted, but I like it. Big box. Oh, that's my... So I have a new desk chair. And this is the box because we weren't sure if we were keeping it. But now I think we are, so we probably can get rid of it now. Kezzer, welcome in. Oi oi sausage. Sausage. Spot Monk. Oh my god. Thank you for the resub and welcome in. 10 months. That's amazing. Sausages. What? I made black bean soup for dinner and it turned out okay. Kind of boring. And we've been eating like leftover cake for like days. DV9, thank you for the gift sub. Oh my god, 3 months to Kezzer? Thank you. That's so nice. Kezzer's here all the time. That's perfect. Oh my goodness. Carrot just got back from the dog park, so she's a hot dog. And she's just like snuck up under me and was like, thank you for the Brussels fart. Should we start? Should we do a little game dev? Just like a little bit as a treat. Just a little sampling. I was watching a stream. Okay, so that I don't actually start game deving. I was watching a stream recording the other day from like a streamer that's like actually a gaming streamer that was playing my game for a little bit. And she was so energetic and funny and happy. And I was just like, damn. I don't know if I could do I don't know if I could do that, but I can do this. We can co-work, and I've been working on some code for the character creator. So here it is. Gumdrops. Go in. It's kind of covered, but you can see a start button here and a plus button. And you can see Alondra, and they're down here. Alondrius. So now that updates. We can change their color. Their sex. What they're attracted to. The asexual. Hetero. Bi. Poly. Anything. You can change their age and that updates their size, which is the only age characteristic right now. Rodrigo, welcome in. Hello, lovely lad. Good news, Mr. Kez went home today. Nor, hi, welcome in. Was it like you were just getting tired of having him there, or like, was it a bad time? This is Alondrius, and we can then set the traits. So I set it that. Okay, so this isn't working. Oh, interesting. So when I pick one, it doesn't update this. But when I unpick it, then it does. So if I pick workaholic and then I pick this, and then I unpick this, it keeps lazy. So I was doing logic to disable some of the traits. So like introvert, you can't be introvert and extrovert. You can't be workaholic and lazy. You can't be a nature enthusiast and a rugged indoorsman. So it's disabling it half the time. Been here since Monday evening. I want some peace. That's fair. That's fair. But are things like otherwise going well? Let's do this. On trait button. Else disable conflicting trait buttons. So it'll go through and it'll disable any that are conflicting when you pick one. So now lazy, can't be a workaholic, can't be a roamer, you can't be energetic. A lot conflicts with lazy. But then if we undo lazy, now you can be anything. So if I just set this one to a flirty roamer named Gage, it's very engaging. Oh, you can see a roamer, flirty, Gage. If you pick no traits for Gage, then it will randomize, which isn't a desired behavior. I would think if you actually picked no traits, then they just shouldn't have any. But I also don't want people to be able to pick no traits. What are you doing, Gage? You're not even tired. This is why we have a shortage of beds, because people are going to sleep when they aren't tired. Okay. So yeah, this is what I was working on. Thank you guys for the hype train. Also, I added page up and page down navigates you quicker through the rooms than using the map menu. This serves the same purpose, but tells you where you're going. Choo-choo. But it also pauses the game, and I don't actually want it to do that, so we should fix that. Anyway. But this is good. We got a character creator. It's not the most beautiful thing in the world, but it works. And I want to like fix the traits that we have on offer as well, because some of them don't make sense if we're on a space station, and some are missing if we're on a space station. But was there anything else related to this? Oh. I wanted to, when you're adding creatures, and you get to the max household count, yeah, here we should say, just say make random button visible is equal to household count is less than max household. Alaboto, welcome in. Is that a Catan on the bookshelf? Yep, it's Settlers of Catan. If you're on a space station, you need a fun weightless room that they go float in. That is such a cute idea. That's like a Sims 1 throwback. I don't know if you realize that, but V Square, hello, welcome in. Homie, welcome. Yeah, I think in the Sims 1 there was like a room, yeah, and it's gone, and it's back. Nice. Nice. There was a room that was like a 0G thing. And it was fun. They had fun. Pagorli, welcome in. Did that in Cave Rim 2. I don't know Cave Rim or the sequel. What other games you got there? We got Ticket to Ride, Europe Edition. We got a ton of games, honestly. I don't think I could list all of them, but Catan's one of my favorites. Also, I really like Deep Space Nine Flux. Beaker Spank, welcome in. Have a good lurk. Stop redeeming it. I will. The consequences. Stop it. No, it's okay. I should add a cooldown. Yeah, just lots of games. Oh my god, it's still going. Naughty. No. Bad. No. Sorry. The fuck? Blurb flashback? What does that mean? Remove creature button. And make random creature button. I think it's referenced in the ready signal, actually. So, did not need to go all the way down. Yeah, here it is. Shouldn't Kent be the one managing the cooldown on it? Yeah. But it was like a set it and forget it. And I can probably go in and tweak it. Got muted in his chat for being too distracting. That's funny. So you're trouble is what you're saying. We got trouble, my friend. We got trouble. I should be able to... Yeah, I can edit this. Oh, limit redemptions per user per stream is on. So that was on. A regular human, welcome in. Aloha. That means both hello and goodbye. But hello. I'm saying hello. Amet enamored? Why are you using @ symbols? It's confusing. Okay, so I think this huge commit, like all of this is ready to go. It is done cooking. Except this, I should just remove this. Posture check. Ella Bodo, thank you for the posture check. Is my posture good? This is as high up as my head goes. I'm pretending a string is pulling on it. I'm so tall. I'm so high up. What's happening today? I just started like a minute ago. And I was just pulling up the thing I was working on before now. I am proper. Welcome in. Hello. I set up a creature character creator system. So just finished like 2 things with that. Gonna commit it. Noticed another bug that I like had seen before but like forgot about. So I'm gonna fix that one really quick. Super basic one. And then we'll probably do art. I'm not sure. I think I can't say. Yeah, that's fair. I should probably be the judge of such things. Adds more controlled creature creator. One thing that's still missing for the creature creator is what is the word? Oh, relationships. So there's no relationships currently. Yeah, we got some work to do on the art for this egg-shaped creature still, so probably work on that. I was trying to set up animations with it, and the weighting of the bones was just totally distorting it. I think the armpits are, or like the shoulders are kind of messed up. So get that fixed so I can start animating. It'd be kind of big. And then, yeah, art. I'm going to be doing a lot of art on stream because I have a lot to do, basically. Where is it? Oh, household maker. Add relationships to gumdrop maker. Add idling animations to gumdrop maker. Update mesh of gumdrop in gumdrop maker. I did some changes as well to the concept. Ooh. That I want to talk about. So this I can do now. This is dependent on me finishing this. Pseudo, welcome in. What's good? Life is good. Bread is good. Bread is so good. I'm really into bread now. Game dev is good. I don't know. Game dev is really good. It's stressful, it's scary, but it's good. Typing hazard, welcome in. It's a bunch of swim lanes. All I can tolerate my personal projects is to doing done. So, okay, everything to the left of my cursor is for a different project because the project mutated. And I can't even like knock stuff off these lists because they're not fixed. Even if they're fixed here, some of them, they're not fixed in the main version of the project because I'm working off of a different branch now, doing a spin-off concept. So eventually these will either get thrown away or done. But for right now, it's just all here. But this is like the more immediate, or I'm sorry, this is the backlog of everything to do. And this is the short-term stuff to do. But I'm still working a little bit on this because these are bigger tasks too. Hey Cam, welcome in. Hello. I saw you bought your ticket to, or wait, maybe that was someone else. Can't read the titles. Oh, no worries, no worries. It's just I have a done column and then a backlog and then a short term to do. And I don't have an in progress. I just kick it once it's done. Julian, welcome in. Hello. Got my ticket to Go Fest. Nice. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going. Because I'm a little concerned about money. Heading back to Boston today. How was camp? You're all done then, I'm guessing, since it's the weekend and you're traveling? It was really good. Oh, nice. So not the same disasters. Maybe you had to get all the bad luck out of the way so you could have a good time. Nice. That's nice. Yeah. And then I'm hoping you have a little time off of work once you get back so you can like take a long shower, sleep in a clean bed, and like not have to get up early the next day. Only 8 people went missing briefly on Tuesday at the lake. Jeez. I land Sunday back to work Monday. No, that's what I said don't do. Slater, welcome in. Hello. First time chatter, Slater here. Really struggling with my posture. Well, mine's impeccable. And so you should match my my good posture energy. I anyway would land Monday back to work Monday. Oh no. I'm honestly so tired even hearing about traveling. Cam's still alive. It seems so, but he's not out of the woods yet. something I do, like, Godot Fest would be so fun. And, like, meeting everyone would be so fun. And just generally, like, being around people would be awesome. I'm just a little concerned about money. And also, like, time. Time and money, which are basically the same thing. Nick, welcome in. I'm afraid you got beaten for first just this once. Woke up at 5 a.m. My dad accidentally took my phone with him to work. Oh no. That's terrible. I would freak the fuck out if someone took my phone. What? I'm sorry, Nick. You need me to come pick you up. Like, that's not the concern. Like, I have to pay for the conference. I have to pay for a hotel, a flight, food. I can't, like, eat cheaply. How do I do an impeccable posture? You have to have a really, like, firm back chair and then just push your back into it and it does all the work. But yeah, also just, like, the time that I'm there is time I'm not working on my games. Also, I would probably have to buy clothes to go to Godot Fest because I don't wear clothes anymore, really. I wear like sweatpants and like crop tops most of the time. And I would want to wear like real clothes. I don't even know what that is anymore. Maybe just like some long shirts or dresses to go with some leggings or something. Got rest stop. Okay. Ball City, welcome in. Hello. What was I doing? Oh, that's right. I had a quick bug to fix. So I'm going to do that while you all talk amongst yourselves. Writing Geo tickets today every day. I messed my back up yesterday. Couldn't move. Kez was trying to help. Press something hard. Maybe Joel backwards and you like headbutt him. Oh. But then I could move then. Oh. Yeah, so I'm wearing clothes, but I'm not wearing clothes I would wear in public. You're going where? V-Square, we're talking about Godot Fest, which is a conference happening in November in Germany, and I don't live in Germany. So it'd be travel, and it'd be, yeah, home clothes, exactly. In this economy. So if I'm going to a conference, I would want to not wear home clothes. I'd want to wear, like, real clothes. Germany mentioned, all the Germans woke up. I think it's in Bavaria, but I'm not certain. I think it's in the same place as last year, which is southern Germany. So it's like the far side of Germany from me. Bottomless Zoom meetings. Hamburg represent. Nice. Yeah, I think it might be... No, what am I thinking? Hamburg's north. Hamburg's like the first stop off Copenhagen, isn't it? Or am I wrong? I don't remember. I've never actually been. I really want to go too in general. I think Germany is a really cool country, but I'm just, yeah, I'm stressed about money. And it's just like, even if I could raise the money, it doesn't mean that that's the best way to spend my money. You know what I mean? Like, that's kind of the concern. Okay, I think I needed this. Yes. So when I do move room down and move room up, I noticed that it was pausing the time. Dieser Chat ist nun Igentum der Bundesrepublik Deutschland. I have no idea what I just said, and I hope it wasn't bad, but the Germans will tell me. Godot Fest seems interesting. Yeah, it does. But for me, like, it would be a lot more like... Because I've looked at the past conferences and the talks didn't really stand out to me, it makes me think I would be going more for the social aspect, and that doesn't seem like... I mean, it'd have to be pretty fantastic. Crop tops and sweats is the ideal uniform for a quick trip to the gas station. I would never let someone that's not Coda see me in a crop top. No, I am not like... Oh, no. But especially not for like a conference, right? A work conference. Where it'd be like full body cam on me while I'm streaming. I don't want the whole world to see me in a crop top. It's a meme which says the chat is now property of the Federal Republic of Germany. Oh, that's funny. People of Walmart. Yeah, I am People of Walmart, but like home edition, and I don't want to make it the Walmart reality. Okay, when I call close map panel, call room button pressed, and that calls close map panel. So I unfreeze the camera, which I don't actually need to do. And I hide the panel, which I don't need to do. But like, why would that make it paused? Oh, that drink was fantastic. United States of Walmart, yes. Wolf Pass, welcome in. What's wrong with crop tops? It's more about how I look in them and that I'm not happy about it. Grumble, welcome in. Doing IRL streams now. We were talking about Godot Fest and whether I'm going to go to the one in Germany. And I was just saying an added expense of going to the one in Germany is I'd have to buy actual clothes because I'm not going to go in my sweatpants and crop top that is like all I actually own anymore. Since I started like working from home after getting sick in January, I technically still own clothes, but I don't think they fit anymore. Yeah. A wear crop top redeem. That would be, I feel like he would cheat and just like put it on top of his other clothes, but that would still be fun to see. Throw 250,000 grumble quarters at it. What fits correctly anymore? Clothes are so expensive, almost never comfortable. Yeah. All my clothes fit when I buy them though. Or you can cosplay looking like your current life's-in game. Are you telling me to go naked, V-Score? He is a pretty boy after all. That's true. It says so on his stream. Okay, why are they paused? Room button pressed. Cosplay is cosplay. Comfy as thongs? What? Oh, comfy as long as it's not dirty. Yes. But would you go to a conference specifically to meet people dressed like that? In your comfy thong? You heard it here first. No. Oh. I know it's wrong. Make it good dumpy, go in that every day. That'd be so funny. It's only 2 days, the conference. That's another reason to not go if it's not making sense to me financially. Silly goose. Yeah, so I'm calling freeze time is false, but I'm not checking when I go into this if it's already false, and then I'm assigning it to the time speed to last time speed, which is set to 0 because I haven't done this yet. I did make the noise. I was being a silly goose. So if freeze time is equal to value, return. Oops. And just like that, it won't happen anymore. Also, I'm curious, for those chatters that are like money conscious, how much, if you know, do you pay per day for food? Magic, aka code. Yeah. Magic code. How much are people paying for groceries every day? In this economy? Does anyone know? I have no idea how much I spend, but I had an idea for like what might be a good goal. $100 a week. I leech off my parents. $100 a week. Okay. I was thinking $20 a day could be a good goal for me. Which is like a little bit more than 100 a day or a week. I don't buy sweets or anything. I rarely eat sweets. Okay. Are you in the US? I would die without sweets? Yeah, I would die without sweets. 70 pounds a week, but I'm single. I meant for just me. Yeah, you, Elaboto. With your 100 a week. I was just curious. Wisconsin. Oh, Wisconsin. I see. Okay. Can you tell where I'm from by my accent? Or no? I've been told by some people that it's not a very distinct accent. And that it's just, you know, vague. That's okay. Let's give it some thought. Okay, no worries. You take your time. Just generic American. 10 pounds a day sounds high. Maybe that's an upper limit. I can't remember actually if it was supposed to be $10 a day for just me or for me and Coda. It might have been for me and Coda. $20 a day for me and Coda. That actually sounds more close to what I was thinking. Can tell it's from the Midwest, but I didn't know my Midwest accents that well. It's definitely Midwestern, yeah. Could be worse, don't you know? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. No, it's not that bad. Oh, no. Oh, geez. Hamburgers. Getting in a Fargo territory. That would be interesting. Illinois. You went the wrong way. Oh. Ohio. I only lived there for 3 years. We could survive with $100 a month here. Damn. No. Sorry to hear. I know. This is dreadful. Nebraska. God. No. There's only one acceptable answer, and it's the right one. Actually, I think Iowa wouldn't be so terrible. But no one thinks of Iowa. You lived in Ohio for 3 years. How did you survive? I left. I was very afraid. 100 a month. I think V-Squares said he's in India. I can't remember for sure. Iowa was very fun to visit as a truck driver. Interesting. You know, corn is always interesting. I guess Nebraska's more known for their corn. Yeah, I had family in Iowa when I was growing up that we would go down to visit once a year. So my memory of Iowa is like really nice hotel pool, and then like having to go to the old folks home and hating that part, which is so stupid because that's the whole reason we were there. Oh, you've only been in Wisconsin for 4 years. Oh, okay. Yes, India. Okay. But yeah, if you've only been in Wisconsin for 4 years, you're not hip to our jive lingo. Evie, welcome in. Thank you for the raid. Hello. How was your stream? Elaboto, I'm from Minnesota. Can't you just tell? Don't you just know? I'm your neighbor. I was your neighbor back before you lived there. I was still possible to get a reasonably affordable home in a small, quiet town. Yeah, but then how do you get a job? I guess if you work from home and you can get internet. It was good. I love seeing little guys move around on screen. This looks great. Thank you. Well, what was good about it? Do you have anything you can show off? Anything you can tell us about? I was just this dude's like in the step. Are you okay? I'm gonna mock you. You idiot. Oh. Just like chased him to tell him. Farmer starve. Yeah. One of my relatives in Iowa was like wanting to sell his house, and he was in a small town. He was in Adel. So like northern Iowa. And I was like in high school, and I was like about to graduate, and I was considering like, oh, maybe I should move there. Maybe I should buy the house. And then my mom was like, maybe you should look up what job you could get if you lived there. And it was like work at the diner that's already staffed, or drive an hour and a half to get anywhere else. And I was like, oh, maybe I don't want to do this. I mean, in a couple of minutes, but I'll be back. You're funny. Thank you. Have a good meeting. I'm making a score event system so I can have lots of little ways for players to score points. Making a furry fighting game. Want the player to be able to win by playing better technically, even if they didn't finish off their opponent. Why is finish off in quotes? You mean like win a fight? Oh, mash didn't work. Uh-oh. Here, hold on. Oh. But I like that. So it's like you can still like progress and like get score, but you're not it's an adult game. Oh, okay, so you literally meant it like finish off. Gotcha. How do you work on that on stream? I saw the long message and was inspired to mash. Oh. I turned it on, but it didn't work. It didn't print anything. It saw you coming and it was like, nah, this one's too good. We can't send this out. I wonder if there's just like one specific message that keeps breaking them. Interesting. It's a game that can be played without any adult stuff turned on. Oh. Nice. Okay. That is interesting. If I made adult games, I would probably not tell chat. And I just like use a different name for that because at this point I feel like they'd be weird about it. We gotta support you. No. No. I insist you don't. Okay, so I definitely fixed the pausing issue. Oh, Grace, you're not having any fun. Weird us? I'd make it weird too, of course. Folks will always be weird when you have the audacity to be online and a woman. That's true. That is true. Spicy or violent? Spicy. Spicy. I'm offended. Don't be. Just don't be, okay? Alright, because I got a mash. You're gonna live in Reuben, Minnesota. You're gonna find work as an astronaut in Reuben. You're gonna join a kickboxing class led by Evie. Nice. And you'll have a near complete collection of retro video games. Oh, spicy. I heart long boys. Oh no. No. Be like, I heart twinks or something. X, welcome in. Alright. My posture needed improvement. The weird messages I get in my DMs. Puke. Yeah. Julian, alright, let's see. You're gonna live in the finest home on Skid Row. Not a house, but a home. I'm saying home. You're gonna work as a surgeon. You're gonna drink beers regularly in an alley with Evie, DB9, and me. And you will outlive your children. Oh no. Oh no. Did you work for NASA during your Ohio State? Yes. So in Cleveland, I was at the oh my god, what is it called? John H. Glenn? Whatever. Glenn Research Center. Yeah. I can't remember how much of the name they use in the official name, but GRC. Everyone's hanging out with me. Sorry to raid and run. I need food. Hope you continue to have a wonderful stream. Thank you so much for the raid. Have a good food. I love food. One day, son, all this will be yours. What? The dumpster? Wait. What is this, Stevie Night? Alley Beer's best beer. What are we talking about? Didn't it say they're gonna outlive their children, though? Alley Beer? What? Is this a reference? Because I don't get it. I never bought a spicy game, also 4 years. I'm not... As far as you know, I'm not ever making one, so don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Although you could argue this game is spicy. Just me being stupid. You're not stupid, you're perfect. Never change. Ever. No matter how much your family begs you, don't do it. BRB, okay. A reference to Monty Python. Oh, you did send me that. I feel like you sent me a clip of something like that. That sounds really familiar. Okay, I fixed this bug. It only took me 10 minutes of... Yeah, the curtains. Yeah, that one. Fixes time freezing when it shouldn't. That's a good one. Hydrate. Thank you. Yes. And a posture check. Thank you. I'm so upright. And wet. I shit myself. You don't have to tell us everything, you know. The government sent out a severe emergency alert, but it's all in Welsh. I'm not fluent, so no idea what it's for. Oh, shit. Can you copy and paste it into a translator? Why would they send it in Welsh only? That's crazy. That's crazy. Just a mash redeem. How much does rent cost in Sweden? V Square, Sweden's a very big place with a huge range of costs. In Sweden, I'm paying for a mortgage and the homeowners association the equivalent of $1,600 a month. My phone's always on silent, not even vibrate, so the sound of the alarm scared the heck out of me. Oh, okay. But you were able to translate it then. Or, no, why can't you copy it? I don't understand. Is it not like a persistent? Why wouldn't it persist? It's not copyable. Please be careful and safe and don't die. Please don't die. You're kind of my retirement plan, Kezer. A big of a place. I wish my mortgage was 600. The mortgage is 900 and then like 500 or 600 to the BRF, the homeowners. It's a 1-bedroom apartment or like a townhouse. So it's like we have a living room, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a bedroom. And then we have a back garden. It's very small. Probably not relevant. Okay. Yeah, you can definitely put a screenshot into Translate. That's definitely a way to do it. It's gone. I closed it. Oh. When I lived in Ohio, my mortgage was $600 or like $650 a month for a 3-bedroom, 2 living room house. 1.5 baths and an enormous yard. Enormous. But I don't think it'd cost that much if I bought it again today, because it was like I bought it before the 2020 housing bubble thing. Probably just says, don't tell the English speakers, and then some secret. Yeah. There's a fire risk. Skippity riz. Yes. Oh, it's a wildfire thing. Okay. It's Litany. In for the win. Thank you. It came through in English now. Oh, okay. Ohio has ruined me. Same. I just got 2 high risk of wildfires. Interesting. And terrifying. It's talking to me. It speaks to me. It says to start fires. Ohio's ruined a lot of things. Oh my god. What a worrying noise. Oh. When what should I say here? When Coda was looking up voting abroad stuff, because we're still technically Ohio voters, because that's the last place we lived, it said on the state website that you can't vote from abroad in Ohio, which is weird. But then on the national website where you actually register, you can register as a Ohio resident. Which makes me think that they're just trying to like disenfranchise their voters even more, because it sucks. It sucks there. So many astronauts born in Ohio, just saying. Yeah, but it sucks there. Dante's Crucible, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Maybe the dragons escaped. 80% of Ohio residents are native. Interesting. No one wants to move here. Test for Ohio residencies, memorization of the swag like Ohio song. I have no idea what that song is. Yo, welcome in. Hello. Any work with AI? I want to help. I'm not working with AI. I don't have like a tag for it. I don't know if I should put one on. It doesn't get brought up that much. Wants to learn, really? Yeah, no, that's not something I do. There are a lot of streams that do work with that if you want to learn how they do their workflows. But no, I just do grass-fed, organic, homegrown code. Hashtag human made. Hashtag these hands. Hashtag I did turn off the AI training thing. Yeah, I did that on stream on Wednesday. I hate AI. I'm not into it personally. Bugs included. Oh yes, there will be bugs, but I'll know how to fix them. That's the cool part. All right, let's see. What were we gonna work on? Oh, I needed to jump into Blender, actually. I was working on... I'm so excited about my new to-do list, you guys. So, okay, I'm like, what do I need to do to launch the Steam page? What do I need to have ready? And I was like, I should figure out one of the interactive jobs. So I was mapping out how it's going to work. Don't jump in a blender. Life is worth living. We're world creating here. That's right. And the world has bugs. So, okay, here's the idea. So in the operations office, which is like that brown, boring room you saw, there's going to be 2 jobs based out of there. There's going to be a, like, basically city planning kind of job. And then there's going to be an engineering job. And they're both considered operations for the station. And so if you do like the city planning or like cleric track, you're going to start as an intern, and then you're going to be an office worker, and then you're going to be a manager. And so you're going to be like sorting stuff, cleaning stuff. That's going to be your daily tasks. And then as an office worker, you're going to work the service desk, and you're going to work at events that are hosted on the station as staff for the events. And then as a manager, you get to plan the events. So your daily job task might include into a UI setting up like details for an event for the upcoming week. Or it might be like going to a room that didn't already exist in the game. That's just like a big blank room that you get to fill with stuff that's like public space. So it's like you get to design rooms for public consumption. Which I thought would be very cool. And then for the engineering side, you start as a janitor, and you go around and you have to clean messes around the station. And then repair engineer, you go around and you fix broken devices in the station. And then a development engineer, you start upgrading devices around the station. And then also doing some like rabbit hole tasks that might just improve other things about the station in general. So I got it mapped out, and I'm pretty excited about that. And then I wrote a bunch of details. I like wrote this feverishly all last night about like how the job should work. But yeah, having interactive jobs I think is going to be huge for this game, and I think it's very like doable. So pretty excited about that. But we got to blend first. We got to have functional characters, I would think. Plus, it's just a better thing to do on stream than writing a bunch of code, because you have the attention spans of of mosquitoes. The other day one came up like, please tell me it's not another Claude stream. Oh. One came up, like, you mean a recommended, or? Oh, I use Copilot. Oh. Just dropped a screenshot of the message on Discord. If you're interested in full test. Nah, I don't go outside. People out there in the sun. Were you talking? I stopped paying attention. That's okay, gamer. Welcome in. Bzz. Yeah. Went out yesterday to check out the new gaming place. It was disgusting. Oh, shit. Main road closed. Oh, wait. The place itself was disgusting, then? Or just the trip? Took an hour to drive 23 miles. Stuck behind a 40-mile-per-hour lorry all the way home. So hot. Jeez. Oh, I see. Wouldn't that, like... detailed stuff for a game? It's good, though. It's how you plan. Wouldn't, like, a fire still be a concern if you're, Like, can't you get like exposed to fire from inside your house too? I would still want to know where it's gonna be. You know what I mean? Do you know what I am saying? Okay, so this is the problem. Like, he can't put his arm down. Those eyes. Meh. Lenny, welcome in. So cute. Yeah. I live in a council estate. Everything here is poorly made concrete. Mmm. Drinking coffee instead. You're drinking coffee this time of the night? You're crazy. Kenzler, didn't you already do a mash? You know better. Yeah? Did you? I can see you did one 16 minutes ago. I'm not even gonna entertain it. Why'd my wink fail to send? That's a blocked message. I'm just kidding. Oh gosh. I have a fan on me and the dog just farted in front of it. And it just like blew into my face. I mean, it's like going by fast, but like ick. The dog. Why would I say anything? If it was mine, I'd be like, yum. Chris in the new chair. I did. That was a while ago. I've had this chair for like 2 weeks now. Again. I'm not going to be telling people when I do that. I have class. Shut up. Yes, I do. All right. So. Okay, so this isn't working like I want it to. Only emotes had audio. We heard it. How did she know? Wait, what? Was anyone else from the UK just jump scared right now? Yeah, they were all discussing it like a minute ago. Sorry, I missed a lot of chat. Monty Avocado, welcome in. You got a fart there. So that's good. That's good for you. Naughty dogs. No. Don't worry about it, Pagorli. It's just my side hustle. I gotta get the eyes out of here. Not worried. Good. Good, good, good. It wasn't me, it was iHeart. Yeah, I'm just trying to fix this bend. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to with just reweight painting. I might have to add more verts up in this hizzy. Oh. Okay, so maybe it's... Excuse me. That's exactly how you talk. Oh, we're in ads. I'm gonna take a quick BRB and refill my drink. And do a bunch of really loud farts in the other room. So I'll BRB. All right, hello. I have returned and I'm sitting on my feet, so I needed uppies. All right, what have I missed? Homebrew noises for redeem. Should I be doing the fart sounds? That would be kind of funny. Or do I already and you just listen to my fart? People are built differently. You don't have to understand them to be respectful. Yeah. Do a little self-filtering before you chat again. Oh, damn. That's hilarious. Don't put all your assets into one release. It's like don't put all your eggs in one basket, I guess. How do I fix this? This one right here. Maybe I do know what to do here. Yeah, I see. So this is controlling the angle. Interesting. I wanted to die last time I tried to rig, not as simple as I remembered it being. Well, don't die. Just don't do it, okay? I don't feel like it's too bad. I'm not sure what's going on here. And I think I need more verts at the end of the day. Hey Jotson, welcome in. I'm trying to fix this. You see what I mean, Jotson? This whole thing. Jotson Bobotson. Oruk, welcome in. Evening stream, yeah, Friday nights. Friday night streaming is my modus operandi, as I always say. Could I Okay. Need more loops around the armpits? Yeah, I just added 2 loops on the armpits. To see if that would help. And it doesn't seem to have changed anything, but I'm not done yet. I think maybe it'll add some weight on the shoulder itself, because right now it just goes from head to upper arm, and that's maybe defeating the point of the shoulder bone. Like the shoulder should probably go to like here. Yeah, there we go. I might need to do more on the here as well, an extra loop. It does seem to be helping. Still not perfect, obviously, but... Looks insane. This looks insane. Mr. Otaku, welcome in. Hello. Oh, weird. Yeah, that'll mess stuff up. Yeah, why would it be even close to here? This is like the lower arm that was like going all the way up the side of the head. Oops. So, sales are going well on my game still. Obviously slowed down, especially since the sale ended from the launch. But like people are buying the full price game, which is really cool. And now that I'm like being more money conscious, I'm like, how many days worth of food did I like earn today in game sales? Which is like a really cool thing to think about. Just like, yeah, my money is literally like my games are literally putting bread on my table. Like that's pretty awesome. That's like some real game dev shit. So I'm very happy. Did you do marketing besides your own short videos? I mean, yeah, I did a bunch of stuff. I emailed YouTubers. I sent out keys. I posted on Reddit a bit. I did Next Fest and like a bunch of stuff for Next Fest. Had the demo out for a long time, but like the biggest thing for marketing was just being on the calendar. Hyperusy, welcome in. Did you boost in the calendar? A huge one. Yeah. Yeah, a huge boost. I went from like 800 wishlist coming out of Next Fest to 2,000 some on release, like 2,200 on release. All from the calendar. It's insane. And my wishlist conversion was so good. How early did the calendar boost start? I started noticing it like maybe 2-3 weeks before launch. That was like, it just like started going up and up and up from there. And then like up to 4 days post launch, I was still seeing a lot of traffic from that. Oops. But after that, it died down significantly. Still cool, but this looks so bad. I want to like watch a tutorial now on how to do elbows and armpits. And I don't want to watch that on stream. So I think I'm going to have to jump to something else and then work on this alone and come back when it's fixed. Because I think, like, I wanted to try doing it myself, but now that I am doing this, I'm like, yeah, I don't know what I could do better. So I think like I've watched tutorials before and I think they did something more than just like loops on the armpit. Like I feel like they did some sculpting around the armpit and like made the shoulder distinct, which I'm open to doing for this because like I know how I want them to look when their arms are down and it's not like this. Not like this. Like that's terrifying. It looks crazy. They should be like little gummy guys, not like contorted and stuff from like a basic arm position. I do like the way it's like the shape is looking. I just need to fix the verts. So let's move on. Attempted to fix bean body rigging, but it didn't go well. You know what? Maybe instead I just delete the changes. Amazing. Okay. Wall sconces. Should we do some lights? It's gonna be very simple. I'm gonna grab a wall just so I can get the scale correct. Something I was thinking about with my stuff. Ghibli, welcome in. Or Ghibli, I guess I should say. How are you? How are you in your project? Huh? What does that mean? Like, how far am I? Or how am I doing? How far are you? Ah, okay. I've been working on this project since maybe about 6 weeks now. Both ways work. Hi, friend. Hi, friend. Yeah, 6 weeks. I'm hoping to have the Steam page done and published by the end of this month. I already sent the page for review. I already did. Wait, hold on. I want to undo some of this. There we go. I already sent the page for review with just like placeholder stuff. And then I'm waiting to get it approved, but also I want to make more improvements on it before I actually publish it. So I'm just working right now on like how can I improve it. Why did I do 3? This is okay. First work week after vacation finished, as your dogs would say. It was rough. Fuel, welcome. Yeah, it sucked. But the good news is, my work is surprisingly chill. In like what I need to do. I think it's because my main manager, who's like very busybody, is on vacation still. And so it's just me and my mentor, who's a lot more chill. And so the deadlines that we were supposed to have reached for mid-month, he was like, let's just do it for the end of the month. Which is like when I'm done. So I'm like, okay, like, so now I have these same tasks, but 2 extra weeks to do them. But honestly, it's probably for the best. I don't know how realistic they were to begin with. But it's nice. Runty, welcome in. Don't panic, I'm here. No time to explain. Get in the time machine. It's a refurbished bathtub, but this baby will go from 0 to 25011 AD in no time. Hi, Myth. Welcome in. My brain mixes sequences at times. No worries. Kezer, you gotta get in. We're going time traveling. I guess. We're all getting in the bathtub together. I'm sure we'll all fit. Kezer makes a good point. Right, so I'm just, yeah, making a wall sconce. Or a wall sconson, if you like. No one likes wall sconson. No one cares about my Wisconsin jokes except me. And maybe Coda. Look at me, I'm iHeart. I can afford sconces in a video game where I make them myself. Damn. You saw my bread, I assume. I made bread. I'm roughing it. Are you Wisconsin sober right now? No, I'm actually sober. I'm just a little giggly. With this little entry hole. I know, it was so tight. It came right out too. I didn't actually pull the paddle out. It came out when I flipped the bread over. It was just like, I want to look nice for the camera. Let me just spit this little guy out. Oh, it's the Time Machine movie. I didn't even get that. Make it from refurbished jacuzzi instead. I haven't been in a jacuzzi in such a long time. Actually, since I was in Wisconsin. Oh, circle. It's all coming back together. Amazing. Yes, Coda and I went to Wisconsin. It's true. We drove through Wisconsin on the way to Ohio. And we stayed in a hotel there. I admit it. And they had a hot tub. I went in the hot tub and I liked it. Oof, it's here too, as you see. Oh, I did not realize that, and I thought you were just swearing at me in Danish. Like, what did I do? This looks bad because I want it to stick out more on the Z or the Y. I can't talk on the Y. So let's scale it on the X. It looks like a coffee maker. Like to be best friends with Oofy, but he's best friends with Molly and the straw they're playing with. Oh, damn. William was in Super Bad Books. Super Bad Books last night. Like he was naughty. You put him in the bad book. Mr. Kez wanted to move our PCs around, so we did, and Mr. Kez said he won't jump around here now because the tower is not next to your monitor. What? Like he only jumps on the tower to get in front of the monitor? Instead, William jumped over my monitor, smashed into Mr. Kezer's desk, knocked over all the freshly poured large wine all over the PC. Oh my god. Wow. Good. Yeah. Oh, perfect. Sounds like not your problem. I'm going to export this and bring it into the project. There's a part of me that's like, space is cool, but wouldn't you rather be making like digital pastries right now in a bakery? And I'm like, kind of. But I'm resisting the urge. Because I have a deadline and it's pretty aggressive. Sort of my problem because it's all my old parts. But I can still play the video games. Oh, wait. All my old parts. Is his PC made of your old parts? Next game is a space cake game. I don't know. It might be like the Gumdrops Make a Bakery. Yes. Why are you giving him your stuff? Space cake is weed edibles? I think so. That could work. Is he bumming? Oh, I see. So it was still your computer. He was just using it. Okay. I was like... No. He can't have that. He can't have your things. Okay. Don't like him that much. Yeah. Good. But no, then that's absolutely still your problem if it's yours. Here, I'm gonna there's a bunch of stuff on here I don't want. Oh. The ram is worth more than he is. Oh, God. I forgot to apply the scale. Oh, no. I will fix it. Why does this always happen? And what do I want as a snack this evening, more importantly? I think I probably want popcorn. That's what I think. I think some popcorn is in order. My lasagna's in the oven. Can't wait. Damn. Lasagna sounds great too. I have not had a lasagna in a very long time. And I haven't had a good lasagna in an even longer time. Sometimes vegan lasagna just does not do the job, you know? Are there people in the chat that make lasagna with cottage cheese instead of ricotta? Is that a thing? Curious. What? Plobby, welcome in. Yes, Pagorli says yes. Don't judge. I'm just asking because I saw some cottage cheese, some vegan cottage cheese at the grocery store, and I was like, would this work for lasagna? Never trust Pagorli. What do you mean? Pagorli is great. So my mother would make it. Cottage cheese is goat. I always liked cottage cheese when I ate dairy, but I never tried it in lasagna. I don't think I can even get cottage cheese here. Oh. Plavi, welcome in. I don't know if you saw my struggle in Blender earlier. Grew up thinking it was normal. Yeah, that's legit. I don't know why everyone's bullying you right now. I'm on your side here. It's us against them. Okay? Just me and you. They don't understand you like I do. I like dipping Fritos, tortilla chips, and cottage cheese sometimes. Is that weird? I didn't, but I believe you. I was having issues with the shoulder on my character model and how it distorted everything when I bent the arm. But I concluded that I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I tried to fix it and was like, yeah, this isn't working. So I'm gonna watch some tutorials on character modeling shoulders and elbows and stuff to see what I'm doing wrong. But yeah, that's where I ended up. Like, I tried changing the weight painting. I tried adding more vertices. Nothing was really working. So then I was just like, Yeah, it was like, it wasn't just messing up the torso where the arm met it. It was also messing up the arm itself. It was like getting weird bulbous spots that I didn't understand. So I was just like, let's like watch something, come back later. Yeah. Yesterday I told Plavi to never trust me. Oh, well, there you go. Multiple weights can apply to the same spot. Cause issues like that. Is that what it was? It was funny too, because like I didn't know what happened, but I added some more cuts on the top of the arm towards the armpit. And it added weights to them from like bones that were really far away. It was like messing it all up. You could try normalize all or painting without normalize. Oh, okay. Interesting. I was trying not to be too ginger with it because you had said I was doing that too much before, but I was like, this is just not working. Full stop. But I was aggressive. Too ginger, is that a thing? Yeah. It's like being too light touch. Too coy, too cautious. That's definitely a thing. I'm just like 100 years old, so that's how I talk. It's definitely a thing. Okay, so we have our light. By golly, by gum! Don't that beetle! This is a hootenanny of a hoedown. Well, that's something else. You don't want it to cripple you with weight painting. Often you don't want to kick in the door with weight painting either. Oh. Gingerly is the bee's knees. Thank you. Thank you, Jotson. Jotson gets it. Okay, so yeah, maybe I should have been a little more steady as she goes. I'm she. Oh. So the idea is like, imagine a light bulb is in here. Who is that Pokemon? It's iHeart! Yay! Sammykins, welcome in. Hello. I'm gonna go ham on weights. Highly recommend setting the brush setting a little lower. Oh. I mean, I don't want to. I'd rather be ginger. It helps. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, I feel like I'm just like leaning towards 100%, 0%. And it's like at that point, just use vertex selection, but also I just need to figure out why it's so terrible. Why my stuff looks so bad. Okay, let's see how this looks. Oh. Where are you? Oh, here. No, I still need that. Oh, there's a wall here. Oops. Oopsies. Yeah, I think definitely popcorn tonight. I think that's going to be the thing. The light's too intense. It needs to be softer. Well, bless my soul. It ain't old-fashioned. I'm downright well-fashioned. Like a fine Sunday hat with a feather in it. I do declare. Beautiful. I would tappy tap to apply it and then smooth it, but it's better to just turn the brush down a bit. That's a good point. Anything that's like the least amount of clicks is probably the smartest. Oh. Oh, maybe I should angle this out away from the wall. All right, Spot Monk, you're gonna live in a doghouse. There's reasons. That makes sense. You're gonna find work as a marketing specialist. You can start a band with a Wolf Pass, and you'll have $1,000 in the bank. Like, that's it, though. Like, ever. That's what you will have. You will continue to have 1,000. $1,000. That's so funny. This might turn out terrible, but we're just gonna try it. I imagine there'll still be some reflection. Also, we should have the environment here. Okay, so now you just can't see it at all. So something in between. No matter how much you spend, you always have 1,000. I mean, it's not quite like that. It's like you'll end with 1,000. I wish I was a marketing specialist and I know how to market my game. You just do it. You're welcome. That'll be $10,000. Oh, we were talking about your game. Should we continue? Or do you not want to? It's okay if you don't want to. There's like some passive lights here too, so you can't even see this. And they have 1K in the bank. I guess I knew that. Damn. Just giving away for free. Gotta wait for the checks to start clearing first. Yeah, I don't love the way this looks. Oh. You are on browser or using IDE? Tyrell, welcome in. I'm in Godot right now. This is a game engine. So not on browser. This is a software. Pull this in more. And I think the light needs to be warmer and softer. And then there's just like, there's other lights in the room that are kind of affecting things. That act like ceiling lights. Part of me feels like maybe I'm just too tired to be picking good colors right now. Because I'm feeling very like good enough. Budget. Booyah was giving me some good critique on my visuals the other day. He said the screenshots and the videos I'm posting now are just not as bright and inviting as the concept art that I posted before. Which is, of course, something I want to fix, but I'm really struggling because I pulled up the concept art when I was picking these colors, and I had them both on the screen at the same time, and I thought I was doing good. But I do know that the environment has some built-in blue. Where are you from? I'm from Minnesota in the US. But I live in Sweden. I think that looks nice. Not terrible. Let's test it. Oh, I forgot about this thing. I was gonna make it so you can't progress from the character creator unless you pick some traits. What's your academic status? Graduate with a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. And no plans to go back for a higher education. So, not student anymore. It's just they look too too thin. It's like the source is too narrow. In a way that looks fake. Are you currently employed? Why all these questions? What's going on? But you can't name 3 science people. Me? I'm one. What's your mother's maiden name and long numbers on your credit card? And the short ones too would be good. Just all of it. What is your home address? And a list of your fears. You know, I did get asked that today. I got asked, what is your social security number? But it was by Coda because he was registering us to vote. So I gave it to him. Did I do wrong? Am I in trouble, you guys? What is he going to do with this information? I don't remember what traits I picked for my character, but I'm pretty sure they weren't flirty and camel. So now I'm kind of worried that's broken. Just asking by seeing building stuff. No, it's fair. Like, you want to understand me a bit more. I'm currently employed and I'm gonna be unemployed very, very soon because I quit my job. So then I will be a full-time game dev in like a couple weeks. So making moves right now. I think, yeah, maybe a wider or like a taller, I don't know, something. A something different than what it is now. Whatever it is, not that. Very exciting. What's your shoe size? It's like a 39 in like Swedish shoes, but I have no idea how that translates. Like an 8 or 9 in the US. Something like that. Plobby, what's your social security number? I don't think I've ever actually asked you that. This looks so blue because the environment's blue and the wall is blue. Could we make it a little more red? 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. Nice. 1 1 2 2. I messed it up before. That's a good number. We can't share shoes when you retire then. Oh, what size are you? Just want to know your full-time game dev, or do you got free time? Yeah, so right now I'm an engineer full-time, and I'm just game deving in my free time, streaming in my free time. But soon, making it real. Wordstone, welcome in. I think it's actually a 38 US size, and you're part clown. My need for funny boys, I feed on them. A train leaves Geneva at 16:35 local time, traveling at a rate of 17 cubits per second. A submarine leaves Cape Town, South Africa, traveling at 5.1032 e to minus 12 light years per hour. Did you play sports in high school? No. Fuck no. UK 6. What does that translate to? Oh, we're literally the same shoe size. That's amazing. When would they collide if they were headed in the same direction? Well, you said what direction they're headed. Skylink, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Linik, I'm not sure how to say that. All lines eventually will meet. Parallel is a myth. Don't fall for parallel line propaganda and think for yourself. Don't be a sheep. Lobby. So, you didn't even have to specify. No, I just made it up. Triangles don't exist. There you go. TikTok taught me that. I doing? Oh gosh. I relate to how tired everyone is. They're only half quads. Topology police. So I think it's just like there's not enough fun stuff to do in the world. Because my guys just like lay down and sleep for fun, and then there's never free beds when like people actually need them. Oh, I wanted to tell you guys. Me too. Oh no. I have something to tell you about yourself then. I'm gonna snooze ads. I'm gonna block raids. I'm feeling quite tired, honestly. So I might actually raid out really soon. I'm sorry to do that. I know it's not been a long one. I'm just like, wow, my brain's like fuzzy. That's not good. Direct, welcome in. Yes, totally agree with that point. You made an excellent point there. You're my favorite chatter. Thank you. Quads are just what happens when a mommy and daddy triangle have a special hug. We heart long streams. I know. Tomorrow could be long though. I'm used to women telling me it's not a long one. And they're disappointed yeah, someone asked if I was Wisconsin sober. And I think it's that I'm just actually extremely tired. if I'm being honest with you. But we made a sconce. I'm sconcely tired. I'm gonna reset this. And then I'm gonna reset it back even farther. Just saying, should we do like a little bit more modeling? I know my lights look terrible, but we could just pile onto the pile of crap that I'm making. Add sconces. That's right. The pile of crap that I am making. That's how I talk about myself now. There's literally so much to do all the time. Pneumatic. Hello, welcome in. All right, let's get close. Just for a second. Okay, so the goal, the ambition, the aspiration is to have my Steam page ready to release, to publish by the end of the month, so that I can apply to Next Fest, which would be mid-October. I'm so freaking scared. And part of me is like, well, it's going to be a short project. It's going to be a small scope. It's going to be a short game dev life cycle. So if, you know, it's a total fuck up, you didn't spend too much time on it. But I'm also like, am I fucking it up by rushing it? But I feel like if it's a too long of a life cycle, then I'm just not going to make it, because I get like happy feet about games. But I really feel like having a closed game loop is more important than anything else, because I can put it in people's hands, and I think that's going to do a lot. But yeah, the big thing I would say is fix the character model and then do proper animations with it. And then work on the job system and make interactive stuff logic tied to that. I think it's gonna be good. So this weekend, might not be working on the character model because, as I said, I wanted to look at that in my free time. I don't know how much time I'm gonna have this weekend outside of streams to do that. So maybe we'll just be coding all weekend. Sorry to say. But it'd be fun. So anyway, it'll be fun. Also, is anyone curious to hear like Steam numbers before I go? I could tell you about my stuff if you're interested. Sure? Okay. So Stop and Smell the Flowers has at this point a net revenue, so full revenue minus returns minus taxes minus Steam's cut of $3,300. I made $18 before like taxes and stuff today. So sales are really down, but like they're not zero. So like I sold 4 copies today. My refund rate is 3%, which is like really good. And I've sold 940-ish copies, which is we're almost at like 50% wishlist conversion at this point, and we're still in the first month. And my wish lists are going up, so I'm at 2,956 wish lists now. And there's currently 8 people playing my game, which is really nice. Like, that's my favorite stat. Is how many people are currently playing it. But I think the max was like 40 when we launched. What's that equate to the number of hours you put into it? That's a good question. It was like 4 months of development at part-time. Plus like some post-launch time to fix stuff up. Want to see you reach minimum wage? So it would be like 20 hours times 4 times 4. I don't know. I can pull up the calculator to actually divide that by the total. So 320 hours, we'll say. Okay, so that's like more than $10 an hour already. Because it's $3,300. So we're there. And it just keeps making money forever now. I guess what's the minimum wage? Pretty damn good. I think so. And part of me is like, should I be making more games this size instead of making a life sim? But I just think the life sim's gonna be sick, so I want to make it. And we can always make another game like Stop and Smell the Flowers after another one of that size. And I have a few ideas for what that could look like. So we'll just keep on and see how it goes. I think it would be best though to still aim for like getting this game out by December. Does that include the $100 refund for hitting 1K? No, it doesn't. Nope, that's a bonus money. That's extra bread in my pocket. Heard that having a back catalog of games is really key for a sustainable indie dev. I have too. That was a big takeaway for me from watching Code Monkeys stuff. Okay, we're gonna raid someone I've never gotten to raid before because he usually is gone before I go live. And that's Mr. Elliptic. So we're going to go say hi. And I'm going to be back tomorrow morning. Sorry for the short stream. I just pooped. And I thought, oh, I'll go another hour. And then I was like, wow, I would rather not. We're saying something nice. Always say something nice when we go to a raid. But yeah, it's a good reminder, especially for the newcomers. We say something nice. She just pooped. Something nice. Thank you. We will all be in unison in a moment. Thank you guys for being here. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow morning. And I hope you have a good rest of your day. All right. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye, you two.